Hi everybody, you guys are looking at my Simmonds Avocado that I have here on the edge of my carport, and I'll show you here. You can see here are my avocados. Yeah, some of them are probably getting pretty big and I'll be able to get them. Sometimes I get them already in June, but this year it's kind of taking a little longer to get bigger. But I see a couple I can already take. It's a pretty big one right there. Another one back there is pretty big. Let me get a little further down so you can see how it looks. After I get this harvest, I'm going to trim it on the top because it's kind of gotten a little tall. But this is my favorite avocado right here, the Simmonds. And this tree produces every year for me. Even when I trim it back pretty well, it always gives me some. Some years more than others, but it's pretty consistent. Obviously, you know, not every tree behaves the same way, even though sometimes, you know, they're the same. But this one's really been really good. I kind of planted it there on the side as a kind of an afterthought right there. And wow, it's been, you know, my best avocado tree by far. And the fruit is awesome. It's buttery, creamy, smooth, great. It just tastes great. You gotta taste one for yourself and you'll see. Anyway, I just wanted you to kind of check out my harvest for this year. Probably have about 20 on it this year. Last year I cut it back really bad. I only got like 3 or 4, because I mean I cut it back. I left it tall on the stump because I had to leave. You know, I have the carport there and all that, so I needed to grow over it. But I pretty much cut it back to the stump at that level because I don't have any foliage, as you can see there. I don't have any foliage on the bottom. And you know, and this year it already grew back pretty well. And now I'm just gonna trim it on the top and leave like maybe like a 6 or 7 foot area all around. But don't let it get too tall. But this one's, like I said, it's my favorite. It's a beautiful tree, and the fruit tastes awesome. So highly recommend this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. God bless.